CIO, Chief Information Officer, and CTO, Chief Technology Officer, are both executive level roles in organizations. Some people confuse these job titles as they both manage technology in the business. However, they operate in different organizational functions with other daily responsibilities and goals. So, what exactly is the difference between CIO and CTO? We are going to look into this video. What is CIO? A CIO manages companies' IT operations and infrastructure. They apply technological systems and products to simplify internal business processes. Their goal is to maximize day-to-day efficiency and productivity within the company, for instance, by automating complex tasks or by enabling faster communication across the departments and making the IT operation smoother. Following are the CIO responsibilities, which include developing goals and a strategy for IT operations, researching new systems to improve the infrastructure, collaborating with the vendors and suppliers to acquire the best business solutions, increasing profitability by providing effective operating solutions. Now, what is a CTO? CTO are responsible for building technological products and services that meet the customer needs. The role of a CTO requires constant research for tech solutions to improve the company's products and services. They manage engineers and developers who design the products and services and evaluate the appeal and functionality of the final products and service versions. CTO responsibilities include developing goals and strategy for product designers, developers, and engineers, collaborating with vendors in order to improve companies' products and services, ensure the products and services align with business goals, increasing company revenue by delivering cutting-edge technology to the customer. Here you can briefly see the difference between CTO and the CEO based on their responsibilities and day-to-day functions. As you can see, a CTO focuses on external products, whereas a CIO focuses on internal processes. A CTO is responsible for engineers and developers. A CIO is responsible for IT operations and infrastructure. CTO aims at increasing revenue, while CIO aims at increasing profitability by keeping the system stable and operations. CTO drives innovation by getting new cutting-edge products and getting new products and services into the market, while CIO drives productivity by again keeping the system with the latest services and latest technology. CTO focus on customers because it interacts with end product, while CIO focus on employees as it interacts with internal processes. Should a company have both CIO and CTO? $1 million question. Both CIO and CTO roles are important, especially for big companies with distinct C-suite positions. Based on the comparison above, they both contribute to the company's proper functioning from a different scope, like CIO internally and CTO externally, and participate in the company's profit as CIO and revenue and growth as CTO. Hope that clears your doubt between the two roles.